Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for checking out the video. I'm gonna touch on something a little bit different today. I have never talked about woodworking before, but specifically this planer. Um, if you have any sort of online presence or watch any videos about woodworking, which obviously if you're watching this, you do, you've definitely heard of the company Vevor, whatever, Vevor. And I was extremely skeptical. I went on their website and my God, they sell everything. Like everything. From, I saw a blow up disco like dance party tent or building, whatever it is. It's huge. You can have like a freaking rave in there. It's nuts. All the way down to a planer. Now this is the 2000 watt, 13-inch wide, 3-blade planer. I have had Makita handheld planer before, but I've never had the lunchbox planer or the tabletop planer. And I gotta tell you guys, I'm pretty shocked. I use planers at work, all different brands. There's 3 different brands at work. None of them are lunchbox planers, but to be honest with you, it is this wood that I just ran through there. This is a piece of white oak. It is just as smooth going through the Vevor 13-inch 3-blade planer than it is going through the DeWalt one at work, going through the Grizzly one, or the what's the other one? Jet. It's a Jet. I work at a factory that we deal with. I'm a maintenance supervisor. We deal with only hardwoods. And so I have a ton of wood. As you can see, this is all white oak or maple, or well, those are junk scrap 2x4s that I got for 70% off, but I'm sure you all know about that. But yeah, this thing is awesome. And I would really recommend taking a look at it, or at least giving it a shot. I'm not making any money off of this. I'm just really impressed, to be honest with you. I've never made a woodworking video. I just wanted to share this with you guys real quick. Let me run a piece through and show you guys how it works. All right, so this should actually be a great test. I was testing out a hatchet that I made and just seeing how sharp it was. And as you can see, this is a big, thick piece of oak. And we'll run it through the planer and see what comes out of it. Three passes. Look at that. Perfect. There's no tear out. No slivers. Let me run to the other side one more time and we'll go from there. I'm not going to turn the dust collector on for this run. 2 passes. There's a little rough spot here, but if I run it through again, that'll be gone. That's in the wood. There's no dip there or bite. Just really impressed. It was by far, for 3-blade, by far the least expensive you can get. And I think it's really, honestly, kind of amazing that they can make a product for under $300 that is this good. I'm just surprised. I have no idea if I'm going to make more woodworking videos. Hey, Vevor, send me some stuff for free, and I'll make an honest review about it. And if it sucks, I'll tell you. Just kind of like that Wen dust collector over there sucks. It's crap. Don't buy the Wen dust collector. It's trash. I would buy the Vevor 13-inch 3-blade planer though, because it's not trash. It's actually pretty great. So go away. I'm gonna get back to work. Maybe I'll see you guys soon, hopefully. Thanks for checking out the video. Click like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, I don't care, because I pretty much make these videos for me anyway. But no, for real, I appreciate you guys checking in. Have a good one. Bye.